Yeah, okay. So I kind of had to have it in front of me to think of that. I usually start not with painting when it comes to design. So I'll like kind of look at that person and I'll loosely do a sketch like of the easy shapes. I got that very easy S curve of that cheekbone, forehead, indication of where the eye is going to be, the nose, mouth, chin, ear. And as I'm doing this, this is where the what if questions come in. So like, what if the ear was like that? And what if instead of the bun being that small circle, what if it's like a bunch of circles? And even here, like I'll like make the brush bigger and start filling in some quick values. And we could say that that's painting. But the point is to ideate, and that's just the easy way for me to do it. And then it's like, what if on the neck, regarding the venomous thing, it's like, what if there is snake-like shapes here, but it's wrapping around the neck like this, and then it goes off into like a rattlesnake tail or something. And so, yeah, it's like I'm mark making. We can call this drawing. And then I might design more stuff as I go when I go to paint. So I could just put in some values here that I'm seeing. I'm squinting my eyes and just looking at where those pools of light are, and then kind of sneaking in those shapes. And I'm not trying to do a one-to-one study. It's more of just a guide for the design.
Yep.
And then once I have probably to that level, I'll probably zoom in a little bit and start actually painting, usually with color, but for the sake of the demo. And what if there were no eyebrows? And like, that is a design thing, and you just leave it like this. And maybe there's no pupils either, it's just all black, and so we have like these black eyes. And then start blending. And yeah, so I guess to answer your question, it happens at every stage. And there's no one right way to do it, but it works either way.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to get carried away with this real quick. So just want to put some rim light in there. And that we can call that a ideation for a concept.
Would you say this is a good practice for just warming up for concept design?
Sure. Yeah, absolutely.
Like a warm-up exercise?
Yeah. I don't see why not. And we could start adding color. Sometimes I'm just like wild and not really respecting what's under there, and like letting that kind of process see what that would yield. You never know what might happen. But I'm never really married to the initial sketch. It's just really a starting point. Let's get a poison dart frog pattern up here. Yeah, so on and so forth. We can get in those highlights back up. Whatever. Any other questions?
I think you pretty much covered everything. Yeah.
Good.
Awesome. Thank you.
No prob skis, dude skis. Cool. What do we have next?